Hello, everyone. This is the Harbor Breeze Cheshire Kid, and today, what you're seeing here is a yet another fully restored 42-inch Harbor Breeze Armitage. No, this is not my own. This is the fan I got from my friend. As you may know, when I did make a video of this Armitage, the blades are all bent out of whack and had the wrong globe, but now this is all fully restored as new, yet blades. It has the original pull fobs. I just extended the chains itself. New globe. These are the old blades. So yeah, another Armitage saved, restored. Here's the light. And we'll start with low. Yes, I know these Armitages aren't the best of fans and aren't like the good quality, but for how little they are, for how cheap they were, as in price-wise cheap, they're really not that bad fans. They're okay if you don't want to spend like a $80, $90 fan. But, like I said, this is probably the cheapest fan price-wise you can get at Lowe's. And this fan does wobble too. And yes, I'm going to keep the manual. The mainstays manual, since the mainstays in the Armitage are like replica. But one is sold at Lowe's and one is sold at home at Walmart. Now this fan here is very quiet. I don't need to put any soundproof things, whatever those rubber things are. It's pretty quiet. You can kind of see it wobbling. Doesn't wobble too bad. Here's the light again. See how much time I have on my phone. You know what, for the heck of it, let's do spin down. Let's see, yeah, you can see with the light off. We'll do spin down since I didn't do spin down on my other Armitage. Doesn't hurt. Now, I know this isn't a problem and I don't really care anyway, but I noticed with this Armitage, the light switch is like, you can hear it like chunky. It's like a chunk sound. Or a crunchy sound. And the fan switch, it pulls smoothly. So, like I said, I don't care, you don't care, but I thought I would point that out. I'm not real picky with fans. Even though I am retired, but still. Surprisingly, this fan has good bearings because this fan was dusty when I got it. I mean, I would have let my friend's dad throw it out, but since I am hunting for the exact same armitage with the badge, I just thought I would take it. Make my friend happy. She's happy that I saved it. Well, despite of the original blades being bent and all, I can tell this fan has been used numerous times. But you know what? It's a good fan in my opinion. I don't care if it's that cheap or not. Still a good fan to me. All I say is this fan's better than the Walmart fans that they sell today. Excuse me. Let's see, are we still rolling? Yeah. There's 6 minutes in. Here comes a junky song. Just gonna turn that off. Alright, I'm gonna call that good. Call that stop. Alright, well, this is the another 42-inch restored armitage. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.